Welcome to all the students. I am Captain Rayla Sanjeev. Welcome to online classes from Department of Chemistry, Government Degree College, Peddapalli. In the last class, we discussed about preparations and some of the properties of thiophene. Today we are going to learn about other properties of thiophene. This is the next property, reduction. Here, thiophene on reduction with in presence of nickel catalyst, Raney nickel catalyst will get N-butane, normal chain butane, and it is the byproduct, nickel sulfide. Nickel sulfide is the byproduct. Here in this reaction, thiophene in presence of nickel in this reduction process that cyclic ring opened, cyclic ring opened and forms N-butane, normal straight chain. Is it clear? Now, in the other hand, thiophene on reduction in presence of palladium. Palladium. Here it is a saturated compound we are getting, but thiophene is not hydrogenated by catalytic hydrogenation process in presence of platinum and palladium. Because the sulfur of thiophene poisons the catalyst. For that purpose, add extra palladium in this particular reaction. Add extra amount of palladium in this particular catalyst, then reduces the thiophene, will get tetrahydrothiophene. Tetrahydrothiophene, it is a saturated cyclic ring. Saturated cyclic ring we are getting in the reaction. In the same reaction, tetrahydrothiophene will get from other catalyst, that is sodium amalgam in presence of ethanol. Sodium amalgam in presence of ethanol. We can also use this particular catalyst in presence of this catalyst. We'll get uh, tetrahydrothiophene. Tetrahydrothiophene, it is also named as thiophene. It is a saturated cyclic ring. This is about reduction process. Now let us go to reaction with organolithium. Thiophene, another chemical property. Thiophene on reaction with butyl lithium here butyl lithium here in presence of this particular reagent, lithium attacks on second position. Here we are getting 2 thiophene lithium. In this compound on reaction with the carbon dioxide in presence of acidic hydrolysis will get thiophene 2 carboxylic acid. Thiophene 2 carboxylic acid. At second position there is a COOH, carboxylic acid group is there. Okay. Now let us go to applications of this particular thiophene. Applications, medicinal uses. Uh, Cetoxanthene. It is a cardiovascular agent used in pulmonary artery hypertension. This is thiophene ring containing uh, compound. Thiophene ring here. Thiophene ring containing compound. The next compound, uh, thiagabin. It is a anticonvulsant agent used in the treatment of epilepsy. Epilepsy. These are the medicinal uses of this thiophene. Another one is the articaine. It is a anesthetic agent. Thiophene ring containing compound. Thiophene ring containing compound. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear? Uh, Now let us go to very interesting topic. It is the major topic. It is a six-membered heterocyclic ring. Six-membered heterocyclic ring. It is very important compound. Six-membered heterocyclic ring. Here, five corners, five carbon atoms. Here also, five corners, five carbon atoms, and one of the heteroatom is present in this pyridine ring. Heteroatom, nitrogen atom, heteroatom bonded with the five carbon atoms. Is it clear? Is it clear? This is the clear orbit with the orbitals structure of pyridine. Now let us go to actual explanation of aromaticity property. Explanation, please observe. This is about aromaticity. Clear explanation. Step by step, please observe. First, pyridine have five carbons. Just now we discussed five carbons, five corners, five carbon atoms are there, and one heteroatom, that is nitrogen atom. One heteroatom is also present in the cyclic ring. All these five carbon atoms and one heteroatom are undergoes hybridization process, that is sp2 hybridization. Due to that sp2 hybridization process, all these sp2 hybridized orbitals, all these sigma bonded orbitals are in the planar, structure. It makes a planar pyramid ring structure. Is it clear? In this pyridine six-membered cyclic ring, each ring atom also contains unhybridized p orbital. Please observe here. Each ring atom here, corner carbon ring atom contains unhybridized p orbital. It carries a lone electron, a single electron. Next, another corner carbon. All carbon atoms, it has unhybridized p orbital, and in this p orbital it contains a lone electron, a single electron. Is it clear? Unhybridized p orbitals are there in the ring. All these ring atoms contains unhybridized p orbitals. These p orbitals are perpendicular to the plane of sigma bonds. Here please observe once again, all these p orbitals perpendicular. This is the actual plane. This six-membered cyclic ring, these sigma bonds attached six carbon, five carbons and one heteroatom nitrogen are in the same plane, but all these p orbitals are arranged perpendicular to the plane of this sigma bonds, plane of these sigma bonds. Is it clear? Here p orbitals are parallel to each other. All these p orbitals, all these unhybridized p orbitals are parallel to each other. All these unhybridized p orbitals overlapping between p orbitals is possible. There is a overlap in between all these p orbitals, overlapping p orbitals above the plane and below the plane to form a cyclic electron cloud, cyclic ring, electron, pi electron cloud, cyclic ring, pi electron cloud. Okay, overlapping of these unhybridized p orbitals, six p orbitals are participating in this structure. Six p orbitals are participating in this structure, overlapping with each other and to form a cyclic electron pi electron cloud. Okay. The total number of non-bonding electrons in this structure are 6. Here 6 orbitals are participating and 6 electrons. 6 electrons are also involving in this delocalization process. Here 5 electrons from 5 carbon atoms, 1 electron from nitrogen atom. 5 electrons carbon and 1 electron nitrogen. 5 total 6 orbitals are participating in the delocalization process. The resonance of 6 electrons follows the Huckel rule. So the compound exhibits aromatic character because that it is more stable compound. Please observe once again. On the nitrogen atom, heteroatom, it contains sp2 hybridized orbital. It contains pair of electron. But in unhybridized p orbital, which of the orbital participating in the delocalization process, overlapping process? It is a unhybridized p orbital. But in this p orbital, it carries a lone electron, a single electron. Please remember that. It is the difference between pherol and pyridine. In pherol, generally unhybridized p orbital on nitrogen atom, it contains a pair of electron. It contains a pair of electron. But here only alone electron unhybridized p orbital of nitrogen is participating in the delocalization process to form a pi electron cloud. Is it clear, all of you? This is about aromaticity of pyridine. All of you clear? This is the major difference, pyrrole and pyridine. Pyrrole, pyrrole unhybridized p orbital carries pair of electron. Please remember that. We'll discuss in the future. Next slide, we'll discuss once again about these electrons participation in the delocalization process. Mm, Basicity. Basicity of this particular pyridine. Pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. Pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. How is it? We will observe with clear structures. Here, please observe pyridine. There is a pi electron pair of electron. This pair of electrons not participating in the delocalization process. But here pyrrole on heteroatom, that particular nitrogen atom, unhybridized p orbital, it carries a pair of electron. That pair of electron is participating in the delocalization process. Here also, please observe, this is a same plane. Unhybridized p orbitals are in the same plane. In this same plane, here the heteroatom contains pair of electron. This particular pair of electron is also participating in the formation of pi electron cloud in the delocalization process. But here the pair of electron is not participating in the delocalization process. These are the diagrams we can understand very easily from these diagrams. We'll discuss once again with a clear explanation. Pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. Pyridine reacts with hydrochloric acid and forms pyridine hydrochloride salt. Here, please observe, this is the suitable example for the prove basic character of pyridine. Pyridine generally reacts with hydrochloric acid, strong acid, hydrochloric acid to form salts. That indicates, therefore, pyridine is a base, weak base. Is it clear? Because pyridine reacts with the hydrochloric acid. It is a perfect strong acid. Pyridine reacts with the strong acid. That indicates pyridine is a base. And some more another information. The lone pair electron present on nitrogen is responsible for basic character. The basic character is very less to compare with the amines. When we compare with this pyridine to normal amines, normal primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, like that, the amines are more basic. Here, the basic character is very less, particular pyridine compared with the amines. Okay, is it clear? Basic character depends on that lone pair of electron present on nitrogen atom. Basicity depends on availability of lone pair. Here pyridine availability of lone pair how it is available very easily when we compare with the pherol, we'll discuss clearly. Here in pyridine, nitrogen have lone pair of electron in the same plane of pyridine hybridized orbitals plane. Hybridized orbitals plane. Just now we observed in the structure itself. Here, the pair of electron is in the hybridized orbitals plane. That sp2 hybridized orbitals to form a six-membered cyclic ring. Here also. Here, please observe. Six-membered cyclic ring hybridized orbitals to form a plane in the same plane. In the same plane, the pair of electron in the same plane, pyridine hybridized orbitals, that lone pair electrons. So, it is not participating to resonance phenomena. That is, resonance phenomenon means in the delocalization process, that particular pair of electron in pyridine on nitrogen atom not participating in resonance phenomena or in delocalization process. Lone pair electrons is readily available for acid base reaction. This is the reason. This is the reason. Once again, please observe. Here, hybridized p orbitals, 6 orbitals, 5 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen atoms are arranged in the same plane. In the same plane, the pair of electron is also there. Is also there. These pair of electron, lone pair of electron, does not involving in the formation of pi electron cloud. These lone pair electron not involving in the delocalization or resonance phenomena, because that this pair of electron readily available in the participation of acid base reactions. Acid base reactions. Is it clear? Readily available for acid base reactions. Pyridine basic character we can explain with this suitable orbital structure. Now let us go to pherol. Pherol have lone pair electron perpendicular to the plane of pyridine hybridized orbitals plane, and it participate in resonance or delocalization of lone pair, because that not readily available for acid base reaction. Once again, please observe pherol structure. Here the lone pair electron is available on the heteroatom in the pherol ring, but this lone pair electron is perpendicular to the plane, and these lone pair electrons are participating in the delocalization process, or these lone pair electrons are participating in the resonance phenomena, because that not readily to participate for acid base reactions, because these pair of electrons are already in the pi electron cloud formation, already involving in the pi electron cloud formation. Due to that reason, the pair of electrons are not readily, not available for acid base reaction. Is it clear? Firol? As lone pair of electron of pyridine are readily available than pyrrole. We understood clearly. Pyridine is more basic than pyrrole because that due to this particular reason, availability of pair of electrons, this particular reason, pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. Is it clear all of you? Is there any doubt? Just please remember the availability of lone pair electrons on the heteroatom, that is nitrogen atom. That lone pair electrons are readily available in the pyridine ring. Is it clear? Because that pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. Okay. Pyridine, extra information, another extra information we are going to discuss. What is that? Here, pyridine, when compared with the aliphatic amines, it may be uh, primary, secondary, tertiary amines. Pyridine. Pyridine is less basic than aliphatic amines. When we compare with the amines, normal amines, aliphatic amines are more basic. Pyridine is less basic than aliphatic amines. How is it? We'll discuss with the structures with the hybridization process. Here, please observe. This is the pyridine structure and aliphatic amine structure. In the aliphatic amine, the heteroatom undergoes sp3 hybridization. Please observe. sp3 hybridization. In the pyridine cyclic ring, the heteroatom nitrogen generally undergoes sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. Uh, Due to this formation of hybridization process, the nitrogen more electronegative here. Here nitrogen less electronegative. How is it? We will discuss clearly. sp2 hybridized nitrogen is more electronegative because more S character, more S character is there, more S character than sp3. sp3. Lone pair of electrons more closely hold toward more electronegative nitrogen atom. Due to that reason, less available for acid base reaction. Is it clear all of you? In sp2 hybridization, that is pyridine ring, in the pyridine ring, heteroatom undergoes sp2 hybridization process. In that sp2 hybridized orbital, the S character is more. S character is more because that the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen, it is very uh, hold closely, hold closely towards nitrogen atom because that availability, that availability of pair of electron is less for the acid base reactions. Is it clear? As lone pair of electron is not readily available in pyridine because that lone pair of electron not readily available in pyridine but in amines readily available. sp3 hybridization, S character is less. Okay, S character is less less electronegative, the pair of electrons are readily available in normal aliphatic amines. In pyridine, lone pair of electrons is not readily available in pyridine. It is less basic. Finally, it is less basic than aliphatic amines. Aliphatic amines. Is it clear, all of you? Then aliphatic amines. Next, it forms hydrogen bonding. Pyridine is water soluble. Pyridine, here please observe, pyridine, water soluble. It forms hydrogen bonding with this water molecule of hydrogen and a pyridine ring nitrogen atom. There is a weak attraction in between these highly electronegative atom with hydrogen to form a hydrogen bond. This hydrogen bond we are representing with a dotted line. With the dotted line. Yeah, it is not a sigma bond. It is a weak attraction force in between highly electronegative atom of nitrogen and hydrogen atom. Hydrogen bond formation with a water molecule. Now let us go to synthesis of pyridine. Synthesis of pyridine. The first synthesis, Hans pyridine synthesis. This synthesis, it is a condensation process. Condensation process. Condensation of an aldehyde with 2 moles of beta dicarbonyl compound and ammonia. Beta dicarbonyl compound and ammonia. Here, please observe, this is the beta beta dicarbonyl compound. 2 moles we are using, 1 mole and another mole. 2 moles of this particular compound, beta dicarbonyl compound. It is also called as, here please observe, ethyl acetoacetate. In short form, we are calling EAA. EAA, ethyl acetoacetate. EAA, beta dicarbonyl compound. Compound on reaction with the aldehyde. This is the aldehyde, formaldehyde, 1 carbon containing aldehyde, formaldehyde and ammonia we are using. Ammonia. Here cyclization takes place. All these compounds cyclized to form dihydropyridine. Dihydropyridine, substituted compound pyridine. Substituted pyridine compound. In presence of strong acid, here we are using HNO3 and H2SO4. In presence of strong acid, what happens? Aromatic pyridine ring is formed. The oxidation process here, removing of hydrogens. It is a oxidation process. Clearly, cyclic ring. Pi bonds, new pi bonds are generated. Aromatic pyridine ring is formed. This particular intermediate aromatic pyridine ring, on reaction with potassium hydroxide and ethanol and calcium oxide heat the reaction mixture. Calcium oxide and heat the reaction mixture. In this reaction, 2 moles of carbon dioxide, 2 moles of carbon dioxide removed from the reaction. Here carbon dioxide, another side carbon dioxide. In this step, loss of another ethanol is also loses from the reaction. Ethanol molecule, 2 moles of ethanol here, C2H5 OH, C2H5 OH, 2 moles of ethanol is also lost from this step. Okay. Finally, we are getting 2,6-dimethyl pyridine. 2,6-dimethyl pyridine substituted compound. It is a substituted pyridine. 2 here, second position, and sixth position. There is a methyl group pyridine. How is it a methyl group? Here, the starting in EAA, there is a methyl. Here also there is a methyl. In 2 moles of beta dicarbonyl compound, the same in the cyclization process, the 2 methyl groups are attached or bonded at second and sixth position. Once again, please observe Hunt's pyridine synthesis. It is very important synthesis, major synthesis for pyridine preparation. Here EAA in short form, generally we call as EAA, ethyl acetoacetate. EAA, 2 moles of EAA, beta dicarbonyl compound, on reaction with the aldehyde. Aldehyde here we are using C1 containing, only 1 carbon containing aldehyde. This is called as formaldehyde, and reaction with the ammonia, NH3 ammonia. Okay, so in the first step, cyclization process, and this cyclized compound on oxidation, it will get a perfect, it converted as aromatic compound, perfect aromatic compound. New pi bonds are generated after loss of hydrogens. This is called as oxidation step. Oxidation. This particular, from this aromatic pyridine ring on reaction with this potassium hydroxide base and calcium oxide, heat the reaction mixture. This particular perfect aromatic cyclic ring, heat the reaction, will get finally pyridine cyclic ring. This is about major synthesis of pyridine. This is also single step. We'll go to mechanism part. Uh, 3 steps are involved in this reaction. 3 steps mechanism. In this short time, we cannot cover this short time. 3 steps are involved for this Hunt's synthesis mechanism part. Further clear-cut mechanism we'll discuss tomorrow clearly. This is about pyridine ring. Pyridine introduction. From introduction, we covered it is a six membered ring and one heteroatom, that is nitrogen, and we discussed aromaticity of pyridine, aromaticity discussed with clear orbital structure. Okay, tomorrow we'll once again we'll discuss mechanism part of this particular Hart's pyridine synthesis. Then another preparation method is there. We'll discuss tomorrow. Uh, all the students will meet tomorrow at same time. Okay. Thank you. Thank you one and all.